There are several ways to make icicles. In this case, I want to have some flexible, durable and very strong icicles. I create them out of hot glue, transparent hot glue. The trick is to keep the hot glue gun very hot, so the glue actually is fulfilled by air bubbles. In that case, your crystals, your icicles are very interesting and they keep this, real aspect. Let's check it out.